Let's Helu Manawa, or tell time, literally count time. Let's start with a question. What time is it? This question has two parts, a poʻo and a piko. The translation of this sentence is, "O ka hola ʻehia Kēia?" The literal translation of "O ka hola ʻehia Kēia" is, "This is what hour?" We use the word ʻehia when we want the answer to be a number. To answer this question, simply substitute the word ʻehia for the number. O ka hola ʻehia Kēia. O ka hola ʻeono Kēia. Literally, this is the 6th hour. In Hawaiian, we say this is 6 o'clock instead of it is 6 o'clock. To indicate AM or PM, add the following ave. O ka hola ʻeono Kēia o ke kakahiaka. Literally, this is the 6th hour of the morning. In other words, it is 6 a.m. O ka hola ʻeono Kēia o ke ahiahi is literally, this is the 6th hour of the evening. The translation for this or it is 6 p.m. Now let's learn all the ways to Helu Manawa, or tell time. We learned earlier that 6 o'clock is ka hola ʻeono, literally the 6th hour. The number 6 is the kahulu, or the adjective of the hour. So what would 7 o'clock be? 7 o'clock is ka hola ʻehiku, and as we can see on this clock, it is 7 a.m. So that would be ka hola ʻehiku o ke kakahiaka. Let's use this in a sentence. I woke at 7 a.m. What kind of pepeke is this? This is a pepeke painu past tense. What is the poʻo? The poʻo is woke, uaala. What is the piko? The piko is I, au. What is the first ave? The first ave is at 7 o'clock. I or ma ka hola ʻehiku. And what is the last ave? The last ave is AM, or of the morning. O ke kakahiaka. I woke at 7 a.m. Walau I ka hola ʻehiku o ke kakahiaka. To indicate the half hour, we say ka hapalua hola. 7:30 would be ka hapalua hola ʻehiku, the 7th half hour. Hapalua means half. Helu Manawa for the hour and half hour is pretty straightforward. Now let's get into the quarter hours and other times. Like 12:15. There are 3 ways you can express the quarter hour. To express this time with Hawaiian 101 grammar, say, ka hola ʻumikumalua me ʻumikumālima minuke. Literally, the 12th hour with 15 minutes. To express this time with Hawaiian 102 grammar, say, ka ʻumikumalima minuke ma hope o ka hola ʻumikumalua. Literally, the 15 minutes after the 12th hour. And to express this time with Hawaiian 400 level grammar, say, ka hapaha I hala ka hola ʻumikumalua. Literally, quarter past the 12th hour. Hapaha meaning quarter. These 3 ways of expressing time are all correct, and examples of each can be found in our Nupepa ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi, Hawaiian language newspapers. Take note though, many Hawaiian classes only teach either the second or last pattern, so you should eventually learn all 3 patterns. You can also use the first 2 patterns to express any amount of minutes past the hour, such as 12:05. 12:05 is expressed as ka hola ʻumikumalua me ʻelima minuke, the 12th hour with 5 minutes, or ka ʻelima minuke ma hope o ka hola ʻumikumalua, 5 minutes after the 12th hour. Let's look at another quarter hour, like 2:45. This type of quarter hour is a little trickier. There are 3 ways you can express this quarter hour. To express this time with Hawaiian 101 grammar, say, ka hola ʻelua me kanaha kumalima minuke. Literally, the 2nd hour with 45 minutes. To express this time with Hawaiian 102 grammar, say, ka ʻumikumalima minuke mamua o ka hola ʻekolu. Literally, 15 minutes before mamua, the 3rd hour. You could also say 45 minutes after 2 and use the pattern we learned a few slides ago, but let's practice 15 minutes to 3. Ka ʻumikumalima minuke mamua ka hola ʻekolu. And finally, to express this time with Hawaiian 400 level grammar, say ka hapaha I koe kani ka hola ʻekolu. Literally, quarter remaining until the 3rd hour. Again, all 3 ways of expressing time are correct. There is no such thing as more correct, though many Hawaiian classes only teach the second or last pattern, so you should learn all 3 patterns. To review, to say the hour, like 4 o'clock, it would be ka hola ʻeha. The half hour, such as 4:30, ka hapalua hola ʻeha. And to say the quarter minutes or any minutes past or to the hour, you can express it 3 ways. Ka hola ʻeha me ʻumikumalima minuke. Ka ʻumikumalima minuke ma hope o ka hola ʻeha. Ka hapaha I hala ka hola ʻeha. Ka hola ʻeha me kana ha kumalima minuke. Ka ʻumikumalima minuke ma mua ka hola ʻelima. A ka hapaha I koikani ka hola ʻelima. A pela kako e helu manawa. That's how we tell time.